Hi all. In this video we are going to see the usage of actions class in Selenium. Usage of actions class in Selenium. So using actions class we can perform below events. So what are those events? We can do mouse over, we can perform right click, we can perform double click, and we can perform drag and drop. So we are going to see one by one. So first, let's see how can we do mouse over using actions class. So if I go to any website, suppose I'll go to Flipkart. Okay, so as soon as I navigate to Flipkart website, I can see this pop-up window, right? So first I have to close this. So what I can do is I can inspect this web element. So let's inspect it and write XPath for this so that we can close this pop-up window. So I will take this text and I can write here. So the tag name is button and its text value is that symbol, right? So I have got one matching node. So let's take this XPath and save it here. Okay. So after that, once I close it, if you see, if I go up, here, if I do mouse over, I can see all these options, right? So let's first inspect this. So I want to do mouse over here, right? And its text is fashion. So I can write here. I can change the text value and tag value. Okay. So let's save this XPath as well. After that, what I want to do is I want to go to this link. Okay. Or say like women ethnic. So just inspect this. This is a link and this is the text. And I have to change the tag name as well, right? So I will take this XPath as well. Okay, so now we have taken XPath. So now what I will do, I will go to Eclipse and I will create a new class. So let's create a new class and I will name it as, or so direct we can write here mouse over. Okay. And we will copy the script from this class where actually we are launching browser and we are navigating to the application under test. So I have to change the application URL. So this is my application URL, flipkart.com. So I'll write it over here. Okay. So after that, what we are doing, we are just closing pop-up window, right? So I'll write here driver dot find element by dot xpath, and this is my xpath. So dot click on it. Okay. So I'll give some time here. Say thread dot sleep 3 seconds. Okay. And it will throw interrupted exception. After that, what we have to do? Now I have to take the help of actions class, right? So I'll write here actions. I'll create one reference variable builder is equal to new actions. So basically here what we are doing, we are calling the constructor of actions class by creating the object of actions class, and here we have to provide the reference variable of WebDriver. Okay, so basically we are calling the parameterized constructor of actions class. Okay, as we know, like constructor is a special member function which gets invoked when an object is created. So basically what we are doing, we are calling the constructor or parameterized constructor of actions class by creating object of actions class. So after that, what we can do is I can write here builder. So we have one method called as move to element. So builder dot move to element, and here you have to provide the web element. So I'll write your driver dot find element by dot xpath, right? So here I have to give the xpath of fashion. Okay, then I want to pause for say duration dot of seconds. Suppose I want to wait for say 3 seconds. Okay, after that again move to element driver dot find element by dot xpath, and here you have to provide the xpath of women ethnic. Okay, at last what you have to write, you have to call this method dot build dot perform, right? So this is the complete statement, and you can write it like this. Okay, you can write it like this as well. So after that, what we can do is I will wait for few seconds, thread dot sleep 3000, so that you will be able to see. And after that, I am quitting the application. Okay, let me check. So basically we have to take another XPath because this is not a supported character, if you see. So what I will do is I will take another XPath for this close icon, right? So here I have written the XPath. So basically I have taken the class value of this div. After that I have written button because this button is the child of this div, right? So let's take this one and I will change it here. Okay. So let's run this and check whether it's working or not. So first I will change it to Chrome and let's run it. Okay. So or else what I can do is let me put one breakpoint over here at last and we will go for debugging. Okay. So right click, debug as one Java application. Let's see. So the Chrome browser has started and now it's navigating to the Flipkart application. We have got the pop-up window. So if you see, unless and until you do mouse over fashion, right? So this will not be visible, women ethnic, right? So that is the reason we have to write uh, the script, like the statement for doing mouse over two times. So one for fashion and one for women ethnic. And I have given like 3 seconds as a static wait. So basically I have provided static wait of 3 seconds. So first what it will do mouse over fashion. After that it will do mouse over women ethnic. Okay, so let's run the script and check. Run as one Java application. It has launched browser. It has navigated to the application under test. Okay, see now it is doing mouse over fashion and now women ethnic. So this is how we can perform mouse over in Selenium using actions class. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching this video.